In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a house in Planner 5D. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to create a new project, and then whenever you do so, if you're starting from scratch, you're going to see this, which is going to be your first room, okay? So our room here, if I go to 3D, looks like this. It's very basic, and that's the one you're going to be stuck with whenever you start off, okay? So that's the first thing you have to do to create your project. Now, whenever you've done that, you can go ahead and first start by, of course, building different walls, rooms, and stuff like that. So for example, we're just gonna add like 2 more rooms to this house over here, and then we're gonna make a house out of it. So I'm gonna click on rooms, and I'm gonna use this one over here, and it's gonna be just like a very basic house. So click on any of these or just drag them, and it's gonna add your room in here, okay? So let me remove this one, there we go, and I'm going to actually position this one over here, and that's gonna be our basic house, okay? Of course, you can resize these things if you wanna. You could go ahead and click anywhere on any wall, you can change it, you can do it like this, you can change corners, stuff like that. So pretty much anything is possible, okay? So take advantage of things, of course, and make it your own build. Now, whenever you're interested in how this is actually looking, you can always switch to 3D mode and just view how this looks. So you can rotate around, zoom out, zoom in with your mouse. So left click on your mouse is going to kind of rotate around like this. If you use right click, it's going to move around, and then you can also use the the zoom wheel, so the zoom wheel on your mouse, and that way you can move around and kind of turn around as well, okay? So I'm gonna go back to 2D over here, and now let's actually start making a house. Now we have the bases over here, as you can see, to our house. Of course, it's gonna need some doors, windows, stuff like that. So we're gonna go to build over here, and then we go back. And then over here, if you want to add any additional walls, you could draw walls just like this. So click on it and click anywhere that's going to add your walls. So if I wanted, for example, to split this, I can click here and then click here, and that's going to make a wall like that. Press escape, and now I have like a split room over here, okay? So that's, of course, one thing you can also do. Then you have the construction over here. This is kind of the main part where you'll be adding your doors, windows, stairs, arches, etc. So let's actually start off by adding a door over here. I'm going to click on doors, and then I'm going to do entry, and then we're just going to put like a basic one, which should we do? Let's do just like these door over here. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to position it over here. So it's automatically going to snap, which is amazing, okay? Then you can go back, and then in here you can also add like windows, stuff like that. Now let's say this is going to be a garage over here, so we're just going to add a garage door. I'm going to click on over here, and I'm going to add them like this. There we go, that's going to be sufficient. And then here, if I go back, I can also add things like windows. So if I just go and add in like a bunch of different windows, let's say I want like 2 windows over here next to my entrance like that, and then I'm going to put some more over here as well. Then I'm going to put some of these over here in the back, and then just like, of course, you can do whatever you want here. You can customize it yourself. I'm just going to do it like that for an example, not to complicate things. And let's actually put these over here just so I can showcase how it's looking. Now if I go back to 3D, you can see our house is now looking kind of much better, because we now already do kind of have like a construction. We have a garage, we have like a few rooms over here, and then we have the door, stuff like that. Go back to 2D, and then here you can then go and of course create like arches, stuff like this. So let's say you want to add an arch between these rooms, you can do that. Let me just remove this, my mistake. Then you can put them in here. So if I, for example, want this one, I can just add an arch like that, for example. Let's see how this looks. Now, as you can see, there we go, it's going to put the arch in between those rooms, and I'm going to leave it like that. And what I'm going to do here as well is just to like add a door in between like the garage and then the second room over here. So I'm gonna put like room over here, and I'm gonna do just like let's just do like maybe like a double door over here, okay? So double, I'm gonna click on these and put them over here, okay? So that's what's currently looking in our house. It's looking like this, okay? Now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna also add some stairs, and we're gonna add another kind of layer, second floor, okay? To do this, you wanna go to floor up here. By default, you have the first floor, and if you click on new floor, it's gonna add a new floor just like this. And then on here, as you can see, you can then, if I go to 3D mode, you can add different things. So I'm going to leave it like that. I'm just going to, of course, pretend like we only have like over here, we only have like one more room up top. It's a weird shaped house, but you get the point. So I'm going to leave it like that. And then what we're going to do, I'm going to go to over here to stairs. So I'm just going to go, for example, to build, and we had stairs over here. So if I go back, we have things like, there we go, stairs, and now we're gonna put some over here. So we're just gonna put some basic stairs. Now, of course, I have to put them into the first part, so I have to switch over to first floor, and then I have to put the stairs somewhere over here. I'm just gonna put them over here. That's gonna be sufficient. I know it's not the best, but for this tutorial, it's gonna do. Now, if you want more precise like movement, you can use your arrows in your keyboard as well to actually move the stairs in. So as you can see here, this is how it's now looking, and there we go. We have like, if I put on the new floor as well, there we go, we have the stairs, okay? So that's kind of the basics of what I'm gonna do. And now, of course, you can add different things in here, but I'm not gonna waste your time. We're just gonna finish this off with like a roof. So if we click on the roof over here, you can then get started by adding roofs onto your kind of build over here. So we're gonna add like a basic one over here. We're just gonna do like, let's just do like this one over here. You can then reposition that. You can kind of rotate it. So if you click on it, you can rotate it like that. There we go. And then you can put it however you want. I'm going to snap it on here, and I'm going to make it a bit smaller. So if I click on it, it's going to allow me, it should allow me to actually change the size of it. So usually if you do it like this, you have like a bunch of options. So you can go to the style one and change the style. For me, I only have the roof tile right now. And of course, here you can go and kind of flip it. You can flip it vertically, horizontally. You could go and center it. You could go and do whatever you want with it, okay? Now down here it says width, depth, levitation, height, stuff like that. So if I go to width over here, I should be able to change this to, for example, like if I do 400, as you can see, it's going to be less wide. So we have to leave the width as it was, and we have to change the depth, I think. So we're going to go to 600. Yeah, there we go. That's what we're missing. So if I go over here like this, I'll need just a bit more. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to do for this video. So I'm going to make this like, let's do 620 maybe. There we go. And this looks kind of perfect. If I go to 3D, you can see, there we go, we have like a basic roof over our first part. Now, if you want it to stick over, you can of course do that as well, completely up to you. Now, what we're gonna do here is go to the new floor, add it up, and we're gonna also add a roof over here. So what you can also do is just click on a roof here. For example, let's just say I want this roof. I can click on it and I can position it on here as well. So that's also possible. Now it gives you a little less customization. I think it's still easier to do it in 2D, but it's possible in 3D as well, okay? So that's essentially how to build a house. Now you can create whatever you want and of course however you want it, and then just keep switching between 2D and 3D and create your house that way. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.